Psychological therapies. Types of psychological therapies include psychoanalysis and psychodynamic therapy, behavior therapy, cognitive therapy, humanistic therapy, and integrative or holistic therapy. Uses for psychological therapy include depression, eating disorders, PTSD, anxiety, insomnia, relationships, stress, grief, ADHD, and many other reasons. Types of therapies practiced in the United States: 3% are behavioral therapies, 16% are cognitive therapies, 6% are humanistic therapies, 29% are psychodynamic, 10% are other, and 36% are eclectic. About the different types of psychological therapies. Psychoanalysis and psychodynamic therapies are changing behaviors, feelings, and thoughts by uncovering the unconscious meaning and motivation of a person. They are therapist and patient-centered, and patients learn about themselves through therapy sessions. Behavior therapy is where patients learn to develop normal and abnormal behaviors. Patients learn these behaviors through different processes such as associative learning, desensitization, and operant conditioning. Associative learning is creating a certain reaction to a certain sense, like smell or sound. Desensitizing is controlling your reaction when exposed to a phobia. Operant conditioning is being rewarded or punished for your behaviors. Cognitive therapy focuses more on a person's thoughts rather than actions, and cognitive therapists believe it's people's flawed thoughts that lead to their flawed emotions or behaviors. In this diagram, it shows that your thoughts create your feelings, while your feelings create your behaviors, and your behaviors reinforce your thoughts. Humanistic therapy focuses on a person's ability to make rational choices and reach their full potential. There are 3 types of humanistic therapy. Client-centered therapy, which makes it so the therapist is not authoritative towards the patient. Gestalt therapy emphasizes the importance of being aware of yourself and accepting responsibility. Existential therapy focuses on a person's free will and self-determination. Integrative or holistic therapy uses more than one approach in therapy, using many aspects of different approaches to best fit the patient's needs